Dumpster rental service in Summerfield, Florida. Looking for dependable dumpster rental services in Summerfield, Florida? All Things Dumpster Rental provides efficient and flexible waste management solutions tailored to meet residential, commercial, and construction needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project, cleaning out a garage, or managing a major construction site, our range of roll-off dumpsters offers the ideal size and capacity for your specific needs. At All Things Dumpster Rental, we prioritize customer satisfaction with prompt delivery and pickup services. Our experienced team works with you to ensure the entire process, from scheduling to dumpster placement, runs smoothly. Offering competitive rates and no hidden fees, we make waste disposal both straightforward and budget-friendly. Safety and convenience are at the forefront, with durable containers designed for easy loading, giving you peace of mind throughout your project. We understand that different projects come with unique requirements. That's why we offer a variety of dumpster sizes, from small containers for minor cleanouts to larger units for major debris removal. As your trusted local partner, we help you manage waste responsibly, with environmentally friendly practices aimed at reducing landfill impact. Call All Things Dumpster Rental today at 352-804-8783 to find the perfect waste disposal solution for your needs. Let us simplify the process, so you can focus on what matters most, your project.